Hi everyone, it's William here from Jialan Package. Today I would like to introduce you to one of our foldable boxes to you. This is a very popular item and it's been selling really good. One thing is because it's foldable and then it's very easy and then it's cost effective in the shipment. For the foldable boxes, we can do a lot of sizes. We can do as small as this, and which is suitable for all kinds of small stuff like jewelry, and we can do them in medium size like this one, which is about 8 by 8 by 5, and then we can do the standard larger foldable boxes which are meant for some bigger items like shoes or bigger stuffs like that. Except that, and then we can do all the pizza boxes in all 3 different sizes. And these are all foldable boxes. Thank you very much for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.